ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to bring you guys another one of my double split maxi, and this one is a little bit more sexier than the black one, guys. So this is another one I wanted to show you guys, and I actually think that I'm going to do a video and show you guys that want to create these double split maxis at home. So I'll show you guys how to create this dress. So it is very beautiful. This is super sexy. I got these beautiful cute heels that I wear, and I know one of my favorite friends, John, is gonna like this. Hi, John. I figured you will like this dress a lot. So here you guys go. So I wanted to show you guys. And after I get done cleaning carpet and stuff, I'm going to make this dress live for you guys. So sometime today or tomorrow, I would do this dress for my ladies that sew and want to do the double split maxi. So thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here go a couple still shots of that double split red sexy maxi. So if you guys want to do this, give me a couple days. I'm going to do a video live showing you ladies how to create this for my ladies that sew. And for my ladies that want this maxi at a later date, I will be loading this on my Instagram once I get it up and running. So thank you guys for watching, and happy sewing, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.